Come on, wake up, Wookie. It's time to go to work. Now you know you're gonna have to take that robe off. Yeah, you can't work in that robe. Come on, take it off. Whoa, not... Oh. Oh, okay. Come on now, time to put on some work clothes. Whoa, easy there, surfer bro. More like surfer no. Let's keep that kind of clothing at the beach, not at the job. Almost there. Why don't we go ahead and turn that baseball cap around and tuck your shirt in. There you go. Yep, go and make mama proud now. Now we can't start welding in just a shirt and jeans. Whenever we're gonna go to the shop, don't forget your PPE. Is it a bird? Is it a plane? Nope, it's just PPE, man. A friendly reminder from Napotnik Welding Supply to always wear your PPE. Thanks, PPE man.